Understanding financial reports, budgets, costing, and other accounting basics is critical for managers and employees in all parts of an organization to make sound business decisions. However, many organizations face challenges from personnel lacking accounting skills and financial acumen. This leads to poor financial analysis when evaluating initiatives and proposals, inability to correctly interpret performance metrics and KPIs, lack of cost consciousness and budget discipline, uninformed decision-making without considering financial impacts. These outcomes can cost organizations greatly in missed opportunities and wasted resources. This Accounting for Non-Accountants training course enables employees without an accounting background to develop the financial skills needed to drive better business performance. Participants will learn to read and interpret key financial statements like balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, analyze financial ratios to assess organizational health, apply costing methodologies to understand profit drivers, build operating and capital budgets aligned to strategy, use financial data in business cases to justify investments and spending. With this training, organizations will benefit from financial decisions being made through the lens of accounting fundamentals across the company. Individuals will gain transferable skills to enhance their business acumen and build a strong foundation for career advancement. Don't let lack of accounting skills undermine performance. Register now to gain the acumen to leverage financial data for competitive advantage.